Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share cut your Google Meet data usage in half. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my mobile I just opened Google Meet application. So Meet application. So this is my Meet application. So before I would like to start a new meeting, so I can click here to start a new meeting. There will be a my user ID and there will be a search contact as well as the three dot menu option, that is notification menu, navigation menu or notification menu. Just click the button. So there will be a privacy in Meet settings and help will be there. Just go to settings option. Once you go to settings option, your account name will be here, so your phone number will be here. So here there will be a general. Just hit the button general option. So once you click a general option, automatically the general settings will be there. So here the beautiful option is hidden over here in your Google account. So Google Meet. So limit data usage, adjust your call quality to save the data. Kindly enable this option to save your entire mobile data. For example, if you are attending the online class, so you can able to see the video, share videos, means your data might be come down. So if you enable this one, automatically your data will be saved so that you can able to reach more data to save your data. So enable this option to save your mobile data. This is a simple and easiest trick and tip for you, for the Google Meet users, those who want to create or those who want to attend the meeting, so you can create a new meeting over here. So just click here to create a link, or you can create a meeting to join the meeting, or anything you can do through your mobile phone. So now you have a tips, you can share with this information to all your friends, and you can subscribe my HowXT channel. If you like these tips, please share with your friends. Thank you. Have a great and good day.